for this meeting, Pausni just give information. I think the specific information of our subject study is about syntax, yeah, syntactic syntax field. As we know that, yeah, the first and the last meeting, yeah, for learning process of online class, there are many things, yeah, there are many problems that students, yeah, have faced. Not only but student but also lecturer, yeah, lecturer have many, yeah, problems. But uh, this is one, what is it, one of the media, yeah, one of the medias we have to use, because offline class, yeah, it is forbidden, yeah, it's forbidden. Okay, Pausni will, yeah, explain about our final test, and then a previous meeting that you yeah, you did essay test, but for final test that, yeah, I think it is easy for you, yeah. Pausni doesn't give doesn't give a essay test, but I will give the easy one, yeah. But you have to understand, you have to learn about the material that focus you have to learn. I think there are 3 or 4 material that you have to read, yeah. And then the form of the test, yeah, that becomes a multiple choice question or true false questions. So I want all of you that, yeah, you have to study hard, and then you have to get the highest scores for this final exam. And then because the test I will give on UBL, and then there is a limit time, yeah, limit time of the test according our schedule. And then perhaps 1 hour, yeah, you have to finish the test, and then you have to send to the UBL, or by using link that, what is it, the Google form, something like that, for the test. Okay, for the student that, I think that all of you have known about the announcements lately about the final test, final test regulation, or the date of the test will be held. Apakah semuanya sudah dapat informasi mengenai ujian di sini? Ujian tanggal berapa begitu? Apakah sudah sampai di Anda informasinya itu, Nugraha dan teman-teman? Halo? Sudah, informasi sudah sampai Noy? Di
Sampai Pak.
Udah ya? Oke ya.
Ya.
Oke, bagus ya. Biasanya melalui apa itu? Melalui apa? Telegram diberikan?
Oh ya. Pak Dadi.
Halo? Dengan Pak Dadi?
Pak Dadi.
Oke ya, ya, oke. Nah, itu jangan sampai nanti Anda, ya, tidak tahu informasi. Oke. Syukurlah kalau sudah mengetahui. Oh ya, Dita belum ke absen katanya. Berarti kalau belum ke absen, ya tidak ada, ya. Belum dipanggil namanya, atau, ya. Kalau absen itu kan nggak ada, ya. Nah, berarti Dita, mana Dita? Sok mau dipanggil. Ada? Dita?
Hadir.
Oke, ya. Oke, nah di sini Pak Husni will explain about the, yeah, material that you have to understand, ya. Oke. uh, the, what is it? The assignments that you have collected, Pak Husni, that I accepted, yeah, that I have accepted. Yeah, because the first, yeah, the first final, the first assignment, just some students, yeah, that given task, but Pausni will give had given a chance, yeah, for you that you haven't given your task before, because it is very important, yeah, to make scoring, the final scoring. Because if you don't have assignment, I think there will be there will no what is the score, and then perhaps that will be failed ya, itu akan digagalkan atau you will fail ya about the test. So yeah, it is different ya, for students that give the assignment yeah on time, and then yeah of course yeah it deserve for them to get yeah a something like that, but yeah you don't worry that yeah the what is it the late one yeah there's still a score yeah, uh, but the B score and then to get the highest score yeah, and then you have to study hard for the final test, and then yeah if you get the highest score the final test, that will be yeah to become A ya about your final exam. Nah jadi nah, di sini ada kemungkinan bisa, tetapi di sini ya harus memang what is it you have to ya study hard ya. Nah mungkin pada final test itu ada yang bingung ya untuk menjawabnya essay padahal sudah diberikan dalam bentuk what is it apa linknya ya, mungkin sudah ada yang memahami ada yang belum ya, ya tapi tidak apa-apa, it's okay. Nah di sini Pak Usni akan menjelaskan ya di sini materi yang harus anda pelajari pahami ya. Sebenarnya di link ini sudah ada, tapi mungkin akan diberikan beberapa materi khusus ya pada saat ya setelah final test, and then you have to understand yeah you have to learn, there must be yeah there must be what is it there must be a question yeah from the material that Posni is given to you. Okay, Posni yeah permit to share the screen yeah. What is the what is it yeah the material that you have to understand. Can you see the slide here? Bisa dilihat di sini?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. This is yeah this is the what is it about the sentence yeah. Okay, and then the sentence, this is one of yeah the material that you have to understand. Okay, take for example here yeah, Posni give what is it the simple example about the what is it question. Take for example number one, blah 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 yeah, the largest unit of synthetic analysis blah 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 blah. A for the word, B letter yeah, C sentence, D clause, something like that yeah. You just choose the right answer, multiple choice question yeah, not only like what is it like the test before that you have to yeah write like this yeah sentence, and then you have to make what is it non phrase determinant noun, but the final test is the easy one yeah. But the most important thing that you have to read the material, something like that. Okay, you have to make note about the first yeah the first what is it the first material that you have to understand is about the sentence. You just read yeah the PPT slide that Pausni is given to you yeah, is given to you. Okay, and then the second one, sorry yeah this is the okay, can you see the slide here about the complement option yeah. Okay, yeah this one. Okay, this is about the complement option. Okay. Have you read or have you seen this slide? Sudah dibaca atau dilihat di sini? Yeah, from the what is it? The link Pausni yeah has given to you. Take for example complement option for verb yeah. There is a chart or diagram here. It means that a complement options yeah. This is the symbol yeah, and then simple head yeah. This is the verb yeah verb okay. Vanish, arrive, die yeah. For example, this is the example. The rabbit vanished. Okay. Non phrase yeah complement option. This is symbol non phrase yeah. This is the verb ya, therefore count proof, and then this is the example, ya. Take for example, ya, the apa the question. Take for example, according to the non-phrase, ya, which one is, ya, categorized as a complement option of non-phrase. Okay, take for example, there is a the professor proof. Okay, the professor goes, ya, the professor learns. Nah, di situ nanti contohnya, ya. Nah, if you have read this material, I think it's not difficult, ya, for you to answer the question. Okay, next. After that, the last one is, ya, from the UBL here. Ini masih ada yang ini ya, yang belum, 8 orang sedang menunggu. Siapa ini ya? Kita admit dulu. Oke, udah. Sudah bergabung ya sepertinya. Oke. Nah, di sini ya tadi ada the first, the second, and then ya ada 3. There are 3 materials ya. Oke, ya, this is from the link ya. You have to understand ya, Posni has a given ya on what is it, what's meeting is it? Ini pada pertemuan berapa ya di sini? Nah, itu ada about deep structure versus, ya, versus surface structure from by Jennifer B. Rebecca Mel. Nah, this is you have to understand. For example, here, yeah, I think it is the easy, ya, easy explanation, ya. Okay, we'll see. Kita lihat di
Good day,
sini.
everyone. I am Jennifer Rabaka, and in this video report, I am going to discuss the topic deep structure and surface structure. And before I'll discuss the
Sorry. Loading ya. Oke. Oke, udah ya. Kita stop saja. Nah, ya. Jadi materi yang akan diujikan, you have to make a focus for 3 materials. Oke, the first apa tadi? Temanya tentang what is it? Tentang apa?
Sentence.
Okay, that's right. Yeah, sentence. And then the second one,
Complement.
complement function. Okay, the third one is surface, dips and surface and dip structure. Yeah, from the what is it, link from the by Rebecca. Okay, just 3 material you have to, yeah, learn, and then I think all of you, yeah, can get a high score from the material that must, yeah, must learn, yeah. And then about the form of the test that become a multiple choice questions or true false, yeah, the easy one from the, yeah, last middle test, ya. Nah, jadi itu ya materi yang harus dipahami ya. Jangan dihafal. Kalau dihafal nanti lupa. Kalau Anda pahami, oh tadi seperti contoh tadi, which one is categorized, ya, as non phrase, ya. Itu ada misalnya the professor, ya, what is it, bla bla bla. Nah, apa, dan situ Anda you have to, ya, choose the correct answer. Nah, untuk ujiannya ya tidak lama, ini sesuai jadwal. Kalau yang lalu itu Paus ini memberikan ujian dalam bentuk task assignment, but ya ini right to the point ya untuk UBL. Jadi nanti harus, ya, you have to ready ya. Jadi harus sesuai jadwal. Nah, about the what is it, the number of the test, ya, uh, jumlah dari tesnya itu, ya, because this is of multiple choice question, multiple choice ya, question, ya. It is different than essay ya. Kalau essay kemarin hanya 1-2 pertanyaan, kalau di sini ya at least misalnya paling sedikit itu 20 questions ya, and then more than 20 question ya, 40 or 30 question that will give ya to this test. Oke. Nah, itu untuk ya materi ujian untuk syntax. Well, ya, from this explanation, okay, is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan? Silahkan. Ya. Untuk materi yang diujikan itu semuanya ada ya di UBL, nanti tinggal di Anda di download. Jadi fokus hanya 3 saja ya. Oke, is there any question? Silakan yang mau bertanya. Dava sudah ini join belum, Dava? Tidak ada ya. Halo Dava. Dava, have you joined yet? Ini ada nih ya.
Jaringan, Pak.
Jaringan. Iya.
Iya.
Cek paus nih teh. Di mana Ciwidey?
Ciwidey.
Hah?
Ciwidey, Pak.
Kata paus nih teh yang naik pohon itu, pohon cemara. Nah, di sana pasangnya tiang. Ya tapi tidak apa-apa ya. Oh, it's okay ya, no problem. Memang daerah di sana kan susah ininya ya. Mungkin sinyalnya itu kehalang ke gunung, belok ya. Tapi di sini kan sudah hadir. Oke, it's okay. Nah, itu ada yang ditanyakan tidak ini? Ayo. Paham? Paham tidak penjelasannya? Halo?
Paham, Pak. Paham.
Paham ya. Berarti kalau yang diam itu dianggap paham ya. Biasanya kalau yang diam itu sudah mengerti. Tapi ada juga ada yang ada yang mengerti, ada yang enggak ya kalau di kelas itu ya. Ada yang bingung, kalau di sini ya insya Allah ya sudah mengerti semua. Itu Nugraha bagaimana? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Oke ya.
Understood.
Nah, ini masih ada yang belum bergabung, ini bagaimana ini? Ya. Oke, kalau jadi kita tidak usah berlama-lama ya di sini. Ini I don't what is it, give the specific explanation of the lesson, but just give the general explanation, specific, general and specific explanation of the test that you have to learn about the material. Tadi fokusnya hanya pada sentence, complement option, surface and deep structure, and then you have to read ikro itu ya. Nah, itu bahasanya sederhana ya yang ditulis. Nah, kalau tidak bisa juga ya itu lihat, you can using the guide about the link posting links di sana. Nah, nanti Anda pahami ya, itu jadi ujiannya kita sederhana ya, hanya what is it answer about the multiple choice question according to the material ya.